So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. This is, along with Rose Helen, this is part 2 of how to slash okra in Blender, okay? This is part 2 of how to slash okra in Blender. So if you want to know how to use this, I have the video of part 1. I'm going to link it in the comment section below or in the description box. So part 1, I started slashing. Yeah, but I'm just going to take you through the entire process, okay? So this is the okra right here. This is the okra I'm slashing like this. So you mash it from this right here, from this okra to something like this. So with this blender, we African, we can chop out, we can slash our leaf like greens. We can slash our greens in here. We slash onions, we slash okra, and then let's go. Whatever you think you can slash is 100% okay. So I'm slashing okra today in this blender, okay? So this is my okra right here. You guys do it one at a time. Just do it one at a time. Can you lower your volume, please? And thank you. That's what I said. So I'm going to put this over there just so, you know, to avoid it then, you know, jumping up and down. Yeah, let me just play for this one, okay? And I'll be plugging this in the wall. Guys, can you see? Yes, this is how I slash my onions. In less than a second though, yeah. This is how I slash my okra in here. Yep, this is how we slash our okra. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, this is part 2 of the video. Oh my god, I'm getting to like this though. With this blender, you can slash onions, okra, grains, whatever you want to slash though. So you can slash, you cut, you chop, you do anything you want to do in here. Yeah. And if you want to start, just do it like this. Yeah, every time you finish, you gotta make sure you just open it up and until you get a result, okay? Oh, my audience gonna like this blender. Oh, this is a bomb, yeah. Hey, I'm getting to like it though. Oh, God bless America. God bless us all. America make life very easy for us. I don't have to take 4 or 5 hours to cut greens. I just put this in the blender and yeah, and then let's go. Keep doing it. It's a continual process. If it finish, then it finish. But as for me, I have a lot of okra in here. Yeah, I'm gonna fry my okra today. I love fried okra. So I'll be frying my okra today. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is the result right here. Yeah. It's a continual process. It just depends how much okra you have. Yeah, but it just take a second just to cut okra in blender. So this is my cut okra. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this blender, okay? Yeah, so this is how I cut my okra in here. Very, very nice. If you can see, I'm gonna bring it closer for you to see. Oh my god, this is a bomb, yeah. Oh my god. This is for we lazy people who don't have kind of, you know, slash green. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm not lazy, mama.
I said lazy Mary.
I know. So yeah, guys, this is how we slash our okra in a blender. So it's just a continual process. You're gonna continue. You gotta slash all of your onions or okra until it finish. Yeah, in just a second though. Wow, this blender is the best though. What? I can't believe this. Yeah, I can't believe this. This is really, really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, my problem with okra. Yes. Whenever the jar is full, just gonna make sure, you know, empty it. So you gotta make sure this blender have two parts. They have some for slashing and they have some for grinding. So I just want to slash. So I'm gonna turn it to the slashing area right here. Oh, this is good. God bless America. God bless us all. Oh, I never thought they had something like this before. Oh my God. Yeah. Guys, I can't believe this. If somebody are going to tell me, say they have something like that, I won't believe that. Yeah. I'm just gonna good job, yeah. This is very, very easy. So if you want to close it for the something to, you know, jump out, just close it with this black tap. If not, you can leave it open, but I'm recommending to close it, okay? Yeah, guys, just a second. Just take a second. I can't believe something that could take like maybe 1 hour 30 or 45 minutes to do. I just took like maybe 2 seconds or, yeah. Yep, guys. I can't believe this. Oh my God, this is like a dream to me. Ooh. Oh my God. Yep. Wow. This video gonna be a bomb, y'all. I never thought they had something to make work easy for people like this. And this is the end of the video, y'all. This is the end of the video. Let me know in the comment section. I'm done with my okra. I'm done with the okra, okay? I'm about to make fried okra. Yeah, I'm about to make some fried okra. Yep. So always make sure I unplug this. Wow, this is really, really nice though. It was very, very easy. So you always have to, whenever you finish with this, remember this is very sharp. You gotta keep it out of the range of children. Be careful how to use this. I'm done with it, okay? You have two sides. One is for slashing, the other side is for grading. This is for grading, this is for slashing, okay? So I'm not grading today, I'm just slashing, so. So this is my okra. This is why I slash my okra. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Please, guys, don't forget to share this video, okay? Share this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel, invite your friends to, you know, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. On this channel, we do just a little bit of everything. We do cooking, we do cleaning up, we do products review, and we do fitness every Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing my exercise. Yeah, and you know, guys, thank you so much for your support, okay? Yeah, this is my okra right here. This is how we slash our okra. This is how we slash our okra. Oh my God, this is so nice, y'all. What? I never thought. The very fast and easy way to slash okra. Yeah, it's gonna be a bomb, y'all.
60 mode.
So when I finish, I'm not using a blender. I wonder if I'm gonna use a blender.
When she's done, she's gonna spend time with us.
Yeah. It's holiday. I'm gonna spend some time with my kids. But I will let you guys know if I'm gonna use this blender today. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think, but just in case, I'm gonna make a short video and just share with you guys. So before I go, I'm gonna give you guys 360 for the camera, so you can see me. This is me right here. This is the real me. This is me, guys. I'm a short girl. From the comfort of my home. Can I see something beautiful for you, but some? Should we go come? Let's see all of same. You're wasted full, and you are. Guys, thank you so much, man.